Buns are so simple, like it not look like a bun. If you like the bun, and as usual, hello everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are watching this space for first time, then hi, I'm Shruti, and here I make fashion, DIY and beauty related videos. So if this is something you like, then don't forget to click on subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it. So every time I upload a video, you can catch on. So I know in lockdown we are just sitting at our home and combing our hairs hardly, tying into a simple bun and just doing our daily routine. So I thought, why not to give a twist to that boring bun and make it super fun. So in this video I am sharing top 5 buns which you can make within just 2 minutes, and definitely you will have something new to do and to learn in your daily routine. And as usual I will share some tips, tricks and hacks to make it your bun super high, super messy and super cute. So without further ado, let's get dive straight into the video. So guys, instead of tying your bun directly, always make sure that you are tying a ponytail, because ponytail just secures your hairs in one place and makes further process simple. So for first bun, just tie ponytail. My hairs are greasy, but it's okay, we can make it work. Pull out some hairs from a crown section. Now just twist the ponytail. And remember, you have to tie a high ponytail, like a regular ponytail नहीं, आपको high ponytail बनानी है. And securing it with the rubber. Now just pull out some hairs, like I'm doing, and your simple bun is ready. So now, for a second bun, again you have to tie your hairs in a ponytail. Now make a two section, and using small rubber tie them. Pull out some hairs. Now just twist the remaining part. Secure it with the bobby pin. Same with this side. Now pull out some hairs. When you are doing bun, always remember that your crown section area should look like a voluminous. Like वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा volume है, ऐसा दिखना चाहिए. That's why I always pull out some hairs from crown section, and your second bun is ready. Now for third bun, take a crown section hairs, like आपको half ponytail बनानी है. In case you are wondering why I am looking there, because there is a mirror. You know, any hairstyle need a practice. Like अभी मैं 2 minutes में कर रही हूँ because I practice them every day. Now I am taking 2 minutes, you will take 4 minutes. But if you practice, it will not take more than 2 minutes. I am just securing my flicks. Like tie a half bun. Long hair struggles, सच में. And ऊपर से I have step cut. So basically you can keep it like as a half bun if you like. Part your remaining hairs in a two section. Now twist it as shown. Just pull out some hairs to make it look more messy. And secure it with the clips. Same with the other side. As always, pull out some hairs, and your third bun is ready. Okay, so for fourth bun, again tie your hairs in a high ponytail. You know, buns के लिए high ponytail is necessary, like it's basic thing. If you tie bun directly without tying a ponytail, it just comes down after some time. Again, pull out some section from a crown area. And now, just part the ponytail in a two section, twist it, pull out some hairs, twist around your ponytail and secure it with a bobby pin. Same with the second. Just pull out some flakes and your bun is ready. So for fifth and last bun, again you have to tie your hairs in a high ponytail. But इस bun में आपको और ज़्यादा high ponytail बनानी है. As you can see, my hairs are greasy, but still buns are looking so cute. If your hairs are greasy and you want to step outside, bun is always go-to option for you. You can use different colors of rubber band, but for a pony, always use a black rubber band. Take another black rubber band. Do it like this. And now just part remaining hairs in two sections. Again twist them. And your bun is ready. So I think that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and tell me in the comment section below what you would like to see in my upcoming videos. I would love to know what my audience wants to consume. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe, stay sanitized, and get vaccinated as early as possible.